What is going on, everybody? DJ Vincent, Fight for Recovery, Arizona. Today I want to talk about something that's kind of a touchy subject, but someone's got to talk about it, and I keep seeing it, and it's starting to bug me. And so I'm going to voice my opinion on this topic. No, I said opinion. It is my personal opinion, it is my thought, but I feel like it will help you guys. So what I want to talk about is drug seeking. People that are seeking some sort of replacement drug for the drug that they do. I've seen it too many times in rehab and in groups and other things like that, where people go in immediately and they want some sort of drug replacement right away. They want to get put on methadone, they want to get put on something, so that way that's what they rely on completely. They totally just, that's all they can focus on. As soon as they get there, you tell them, okay, we're not able to do that for you right now, they shut down. That's not helping your recovery at all. You cannot go into this with the mindset of, I need some sort of replacement drug right away, or I'm not doing this. It doesn't make any sense. Drugs were your problem. Drugs were the issue. Drugs are what is killing your friends. Drugs are what is sending your friends to prison. Drugs are what is destroying your families. Why would you go into recovery saying, I need some sort of replacement drug? Does that make sense to you guys? Doesn't make sense to me, that's for damn sure. And I'm sorry if I sound like a jerk on this topic. It's just like, and on one sentence, or like one hand, I get kind of frustrated. On the other hand, I feel bad. You guys cannot go into recovery with the mindset of, I'm going to get put on a replacement drug right away. Try without anything. Try actually learning different tools to get you through your recovery. People that do meth, this is another big one. Well, there's no replacement drug for meth addicts. There's no blocker for meth. You're right, there isn't. So, are you just going to shut down and not deal with it at all? Or just not do recovery? You're just like, all right, there's no blocker for meth, so I'm just not going to listen. Like I said, it doesn't make any sense. I'm not trying to be rude to you guys. I'm just, for the ones that are like this, I'm just here to tell you that there is numerous different tools that you guys can use to get you through your recovery besides some sort of replacement drugs. Okay? When you go in with the mindset of, I just need this drug, you're not gonna get very far in your recovery. I see a relapse really soon in your future, and if you're really serious about recovery, then what I'm saying right now is gonna bother you. Go into it with the mindset of, I'm not going to get put on anything. So what tools can you guys show me? Ask your counselors, ask the people at the rehabs. When you have questions, ask them, okay, I'm struggling with this. What tools can you guys teach me to get me through this? I have an arsenal of tools, okay? I distract myself. I talk to someone. I'm mindful. I go to the gym. I have nothing but good people around me. I put myself in multiple different groups. I'm constantly in a group multiple times a week. I do one-on-ones. I do all sorts of stuff to get through my recovery. And I'm a heroin addict, mind you. Heroin addict. And I don't believe in methadone and Suboxone and that stuff. Now, if the doctor were to put you on it for like a week just to get you through the withdrawals, I can maybe understand that, but that's not how it happens. You get put on it for months and then you withdraw from it. Who likes withdrawing? Nobody. I hate it. Hate it. So why would you want to get put on a replacement drug that makes you withdraw? Just forget about it. Like I said, distract yourself. Do something. Find different hobbies, different things to do, so that way when you are having cravings and stuff like that, you're like, all right, so this is the time I'm going to go do this. I'm going to go golfing. I'm going to go play Frisbee. I don't care what it is. Talk to someone and reach out. Those go together. When you're struggling, talk to somebody. Call me, hit me up. That's what I'm here for. That's why I'm telling you guys this stuff. Hit me up. Fight for Recovery DJ. I'm here for you guys. That's why I make these videos. So, or, that's what I do. I have multiple different friends. I have a good friend I talk to every day about different struggles. Recovery is an everyday, all day thing. It's not a take a pill in the morning and we're good. It's not the way it works. And if that's what you're hoping for, I'm telling you that it doesn't exist. There is drugs that you can take, but forget them. Ditch those thoughts. Go into it with, what different tools can you guys show me? Okay? So, and like for the people that use meth, like I said, there is no type of replacement drug. There isn't. there's a couple things that can help you. One of the big arguments that I see counselors get and stuff is, well, I can't sleep, so I need some sort of drug. Okay, try without at first. Try working out later in the day. Work out extremely hard, so that way when you get home, you're so damn tired that all you can do is pass out. If that doesn't work, then maybe try something, okay? I may sound like I'm contradicting myself, but I'm talking about two different things. It's okay to go to a provider and tell them, like, hey, I got these issues, blah, blah, blah. It's fine. Going into recovery with the mindset of, I'm only doing this if I get put on a drug, is what I'm saying no to. It's not a good way of thinking. It's not helpful. There is very many different tools. Sorry guys, I just got a text message and I was reading it. It's from my brother. Hi Jeremy, I'll hit you up in a minute, dude. So there's a lot of different things you guys can do. Do not go into it with the mindset of I am looking for drugs. You're not going to get anywhere, and relapse is in your near future. There's different tools. Find them out. Ask me. I'll tell you guys. So, like I said, being mindful, being present, reaching out to people, talking to someone, distracting, going to do stuff, finding hobbies. There's all sorts of different stuff that you can do in your recovery. Multiple groups. Go to a group every day, twice a day, 3 times a day. However many times that you got to go to a group until you feel like you don't want to use anymore. Okay? I've had my moments where I feel like I want to use. I have. And I break down and I get upset and stuff like that. But it's going to happen. Use those tools. Reach out. Talk to someone. I'm going to say it 100 times. I don't care. I'm repeating myself a lot in this video. I just feel very passionate about this subject. Stop going into it with the thought of, I'm going to get a different drug. It's not going to work. Okay? So that's pretty much all I got to say for tonight. Is the people that go into recovery looking for drugs, I feel like your recovery is not going to last very long. You have to learn how to go through your recovery without using a replacement drug. Not drugs for, like me, I take medication for being bipolar. That's different. A replacement drug. Replacement drugs, no-nos. In my opinion, I'm not a professional. As far as the meth addicts go, or alcoholics that have Vivitrol and stuff like that, I agree with that stuff. Okay. Meth, there is no blocker. So go into it with the mindset of what tools can you guys teach me. Alright guys, that's pretty much all I gotta say for tonight. It's just something I keep seeing get brought up, and I see my counselors like, well, you know, and they just like, I see some of them, they look like they feel bad, some of them don't really have an answer, like, it's just, so I'm saying it. Don't go into recovery looking for drugs. Damn it, my phone just keeps messing up tonight. Alright, so that's all I gotta say tonight. Hit me up, guys. I'm gonna be making another video tomorrow. I'm gonna have someone film with me. I'm gonna get her to do it. She will. Alright, guys. Hit me up. Like, subscribe, share my videos. Laters.